Communication Center Nairobi waikore makare gi weche manyien mag migago. Mokwongo fund weche. Senator ma Nairobi Edwin Sifuna onyiso gavana ma Nairobi mondo witoko winjruok manyegi donje gi piny owacho mamalo odiechieng' manyoro. Ndalo mar tweyo mar Ramadhan kod mano mar Jokristo ochakore ayanga kawuono ka Jokristo obedo gi nyasi mar Sapburu.
Tuko na mipango wa kufanya Namalenga Irrigation Project kwa Technology Transfer Center katika upande wa irrigation.
Jopith mag rech e kaunti ma Busia nigi mor to kayo tan 4 mokwongo mag rech e kuonde lupo manyien mane ochaki. Nyakwara mogin gi thuolo mar orote machok e laini marwa mar ote machok ari 36000 machiegni nyinga Milton Ochieng' Awuor. Senator ma kaunti ma Nairobi Edwin Sifuna kod jaod bura ma Embakasi koro dwaro mondo mi gavana ma Nairobi Johnson Sakaja owit mabor winjruok mane gibedo godo gi sirikal mamalo e wi tiyo karachiel e chopo kare chenro ma kaunti ma Nairobi. Sifuna olero ni winjruok ma kamano dhi ataro ma chike matayo counties kosingo madhi e doho e chungo chenro no. E winjruok ma kamano, jatend piny William Ruto nogolo paro mondo mi ochok komiti monywako jotend migepe mabiro konyo chenro mag dongruok e kaunti ni kosingo ni sirikande biro golo bilion 80 ne chenro ma kamano. Weche mosir gi jaod bura ma Embakasi East Babu Owino.
It is, to make a mockery of the public. For you to do something, then you say you're going to do public participation on it. It means that you've already made up your mind and that you're going to do an exercise that is cosmetic. Number 2, they have said the agreement takes force within 14 days from yesterday. That tells you that we have under 13 days to be able to complete that public participation. I've also pointed out to you that if you read at the agreement at clause 6.2, they are saying any amendments that will arise from the public participation will be included. They are not anticipating a scenario where the people of Nairobi say we are rejecting the entire thing. So. And there are other clauses in the document itself that say the parties can enter into supplemental, agreements without the participation of the people. So we are saying, shelve this thing, go through a proper process. There are legal mechanisms for you to channel money if the need of Nairobi, for instance, has been identified as unique, just the way the other counties receive money for unique purposes like building of headquarters and building of county aggregation parks. We can be given a conditional grant to do our street lighting in Nairobi and retain fidelity to the constitution.
The on-source revenue is collected at interior office. I have all that. There was a recommendation that the governor ought to have been prosecuted. He's being protected by the higher powers. And Nairobi can run itself. Nairobi is not that incompetent. It is a shame that the governor says that he's a governor by birth, yet destroying the same very place that he was born in, leaving it a worse place than he found it.